What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a video for you all. This is my first video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I will be doing the would you rather challenge. I don't know the root guys. Anyways, let's get right into it.
You're my best view.
Alright, so guys, the first question is, would you rather never hear music again or lose the ability to read? Brother, just imagine you can't read, like them give a simple piece of paper and you can't read. That would have been an embarrassment. But if you don't hear music again, which is the joy to life sometimes, me not rather choose not hear music again, because if you know say me can't read, oh god, what a piece of disgrace. Next question is, would you rather be sticky for the rest of your life or be itchy for the rest of your life? Brother, just imagine you're itchy for the rest of your life. Like every minute you scratch. No, brother. But if you be sticky there now, and one time you go wash down there, so the rock stuck underneath there, they have gonna be at good, but I just rough up in a one sheet, so I don't stick up in nothing else. If that makes sense. That makes no sense, but I don't know root with that grass. Anyways, next question is, would you rather find true love or be rich? Me feel like send me that pick find true love. Reason being, me and my partner, we can make money together. It's just that we're not gonna be rich. You see me? Cause to be rich and then you're lonely. No dog. Sorry. But you don't know me I say. You're just lonely and you're rich and something. I mean, like, yeah, you can buy anything you want and something, but you're gonna be alone, rich and something. People are gonna say hi, find true love, and you can make money together. Isn't that common sense? Yes, sir. Alright, so we don't say this one here. Next question is, always get stuck in traffic or always have slow internet? Brother, I'd rather stuck in a traffic. Because John no star, you see them little data plan and what them say, fluent digital make? Like them don't make no sense, you know? Yo, me tell you say, me could have watched one video from now and the video is like 30 minutes long. That I said about 30 minutes we don't watch, brother. Pure the internet slow. Me don't know what go on. So me rather pick stuck in traffic. Next question is, would you rather be able to make anyone fall in love with you or be able to read minds? Me rather be able to read minds. Reason being, if me have the capability to make anybody fall in love with me, I don't think it'll be genuine to say yeah them love me from the bottom of their heart, you see me? So me rather be able to read somebody's mind, to know what them think about me or what them must say, and you know them way there, not tell us Jesus Christ. Like you rate this G, you know, and you say, Bombard, I don't want to put all of my trust in this, or I don't want to put me all in this G, and then him don't rate me, because I just know him and mates, you see me? So I rather be able to read people's mind. Next question is, would you rather be allergic to chocolate or be allergic to smartphones? Brother, not in a lie now, I love chocolate, you know, but me would pick to be allergic to chocolate than smartphone, because me can't go out there without my cell phone, you know. Yes, it's a cellular bad man have. Me can't go out there without it. You see me? Who can? Nowadays, like them people, yeah. We, this generation of people, can't go without smartphone. Yeah, hear that? Next question is, would you rather live one life for 1,000 years or live 10 lives for 100 years each? Made a pick, live 10 lives for 100 years. Like, you know, because I make mistake in this life, yeah, and next life, I know say, Ray, me now go back there, so you see me? So, me I go have 100 years and 10 different lives, but I choose that one day. Instead of I live one life, 1,000 years, seriously? No, me not rate that. I be a mistake I go on to say, you know, and I go old and people long enough you want me I go be 1,000. Does that make sense? Alright, so Next question is, would you rather lose $1,000 or lose all your phone contacts? Couldn't have to ask that. Yo, you know how $1,000 hard to find? And if you go lose that not them time especially. Yo, we are struggle out here, you know, you never know, you know. Me I struggle, you know. Stop. Me would rather lose all of my phone contacts, cause me anti-social, I don't really talk to people. But if you lose my $1,000, you know how much $1,000 can buy you, brother? You can get a lot of things with $1,000. You know, see if you go to Chinaman supermarket, bro. You can't go no Shoppers Fair, no Mega Mart and something, cause 1,000 lock up like you just can't buy one bottle of water there, them the place there. So you know, see if you go to Chinaman shop, you don't know root there for their grass. Alright, so the next question is, would you rather give up having a bath or give up having internet? Brother, I can't think, brother. No, that's tricky, but may that choose give up having internet. You know, star, cause if you think, and I want pretty sitting in the dark. One time I passed madman for a road in a general star and a rubbish truck, brother. I saw me that smelling knife, me not beard enough. You must be an idiot. Next question is, would you rather be surrounded by lions or be surrounded by snakes? Me, if I surround myself with one bunch of lion or one bunch of snake, I not choose none. No. I'm alive and not talk about, you know. Jano, that out I hit myself. Next question. Would you rather be in jail for a year or lose a year of your life? Basically, if you're in a jail, you miss out 1 year of your life. But if you lose one, no, me rather than in a jail. No, cause suppose livestock gets sweet for me, and then boom, 1 year gone, you know, me I go miss all of that little enjoyment in a better meat than in a prison, brother. No jokes. You're probably stupid, but tell me what una do, guys. What una would I do? Next question is, would you rather always be 15 minutes late or always be 20 minutes early? Knowing me, me always late. Me never yet early. You see me get one new job, that's the only time me reach to the early for the first 3 days. But you see, from that, I'll be a late, brother. I don't know what I'm going for me, you know, but I have nothing to do a morning time, you know. And if I reach a work, say 7:50, I not reach until 8:30. Yo, I don't know how them keep me in for them job, yo. I swear. So me that pick always be 20 minutes early, isn't me? Would you rather only be able to use a fork or only be able to use a spoon? Only be able to use a spoon, like what I can do? Yo, sometimes you're hungry, you know, and it's a spoon you have to go for to creep up some of that rice and curry, you see me? Fork can't clean basin, brother. Can't clean plate neither. So, spoon. Next question is, would you rather win a trip around the whole world or win a laptop? I pick a laptop because I don't really go nowhere, I don't like go nowhere. But just imagine if you win a trip, go over the whole entire world, that would be so freaking awesome. Yeah. So when I choose win a trip to go over the whole world. No jokes. This is the last question. Sorry, this is so short, but this is the last question. Would you rather have no taste buds or be colorblind? Is that a question? Just imagine me get a big old burger from Burger King, see me? One of them chicken sandwich there. Yeah, make me a chicken sandwich alone we can afford. Or the small little cheeseburger them where you get 2 for $1,000. Yeah. That alone me can afford, so me ever go with my little chicken sandwich, you see me? Just imagine me go to BK, buy one chicken sandwich and then me bite it and I be a water me taste like. No, me not gonna have no taste but so me not gonna know what it tastes like. It gonna taste like nothing. And then again now if you be colorblind, me can't go see no color. That be a black and white. That's so freaking stupid, yo. Honest to God. Me not pick none of them because like Me no want none of them. They post me a picture and then no, after me done record this, me can't taste nothing. Me can't see no color. Me da holla. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the questions. Thank you for watching. Please, guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what unu would have pick. Yeah, what unu would have pick. You see me? Renexo says bye.
Down south, hood baby.